Imagine a silent imbalance in your body, one that causes your legs, ankles, and feet to swell, ache, and feel heavy. Scientists now understand that this isn't just about excess salt or poor circulation. It's about a hormone called AVP, arginine vasopressin, which regulates how your body retains and releases fluids. When AVP levels are disrupted, fluid accumulates in the lower extremities. The result? Swollen legs, tight shoes, and discomfort that worsens by the end of the day. Recent studies reveal that certain phytonutrients and plant-based compounds can help restore AVP balance and support healthy fluid circulation. A new 6-in-1 formula was developed using this exact science. L-Citrulline DL-Malate boosts nitric oxide production, improving vascular tone and helping reduce fluid pooling in the legs. Black Cumin Seed Extract shown to modulate inflammatory markers and support kidney filtration, aiding in fluid balance. Beet Root Extract enhances peripheral blood flow and endothelial function, especially in cold or stagnant conditions. Hibiscus subdurifa flower. Rich in anthocyanins, this botanical supports healthy blood pressure and acts as a natural diuretic. Asparagus racemosus and pineapple powder. Both support lymphatic drainage and contain enzymes that reduce tissue tension and water retention. In lab studies, participants supplementing with these compounds experienced a measurable reduction in lower leg swelling and improved mobility within 14-21 days. Visualize this, a 3D animation of AVP receptors regulating fluid channels, followed by real-time footage of capillaries expanding and lymphatic vessels clearing excess fluid. The science is not just compelling, it's empowering. This daily capsule, taken with water, supports your body's natural ability to flush excess fluid, reduce swelling, and restore comfort to your lower body. No stimulants, no synthetic diuretics, just a precise blend of nature and science. If you've ever felt like your legs are weighing you down, this is your chance to understand the biological mechanism and finally do something about it.